morning and welcome into my kitchen. I'm very happy to be with you this morning. I hope everything is okay at home. I miss you a lot and I think a lot about you guys. So today I have a challenge for you. It's a do-it-yourself challenge, so a DIY. Maybe you've heard of this, saw a few videos on YouTube. So I have two levels. The first one, very simple. You will be cooking with me, so doing some cooking and following a recipe. For the second level, it's a tougher challenge where you need to do a video for yourself. So you do a video where you show me how to do something. You decide. So you need to describe, tell me, show me how to do something. It can be how to sew. It can be how to win, how to play on a video game. It could also be how to play a board game, maybe with your brother, your sister. It can also be how to do another recipe. So you decide. So let's start for the first level. So some cooking. Today we will be doing crepes. Ooh, what are crepes? So most of you guys will say pancakes in English. But pancakes, it's when they're thick. So big, when they are thick. On the opposite, crepes, des crêpes, they're thin. So that's what we will be cooking today. So we will be doing thin crepes. So you can cook a nice breakfast for your family. Maybe you will need your parents' help. You can ask them if they want to help you. So here's what we will need today. So you need eggs. You need a little bit of salt. You also need milk, vanilla. You need oil. Here I use canola oil. It can be something else, it's okay. Use what you have at home. You also need flour. And finally, sugar. So these are the ingredients that you will need for the recipe. Now, you also need a whisk to mix and a bowl to put all your ingredients inside. You need a teaspoon and a tablespoon, which is bigger. Finally, you need measuring tools. So here, this one is for liquids, this one is for dry ingredients. You can use the same one, it's okay. Use what you have at home. Remember, you need to stay at home, guys. Okay, so now I have my apron on. I am ready to become a real cook. So, first step, wash your hands. Very important, especially nowadays. Now that your hands are clean, you will take your bowl and you will start with the dry ingredients. So first thing what I need, I will start with my flour. So I need a cup of flour. So here I have 1 cup and I will put 1 cup of flour into my bowl.
I got a cab and then threw up upon his car.
And I need 2 tablespoons of sugar. So a tablespoon, it's the big spoon.
Someone told me, always say what's on your mind, and I am only.
Then I need 1 teaspoon. So this is the smaller spoon of salt.
Baby, I beg you, yeah.
You can take your whisk and mix it all a little bit. There we go. So here it's all your dry ingredients. So next step, I need my milk, 1 cup and a half.
Is breaking at the seams and I'm coming apart now. Now things are looking up, I'll find my
I will pour it into my dry ingredients.
And spend the afternoon looking around for the things that I'll
Now you mix.
tomorrow's a brand new day. Someone told me, always say what's
Then you add eggs. So you need 3 eggs. Okay. So first egg.
one more mile, 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 one more mile.
You mix it all up again.
Someone told
Once you're done mixing this here, you add 3 or 4 tablespoons of oil. So a tablespoon, it's the big spoon.
Take some time to time, say no man call, yeah. Baby, I'll be, yeah,
Then you mix again.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And finally, you will add a few drops of vanilla. So here it just adds a little bit of flavor. Oh wait, that's enough. And then you mix it all together. You need to start your stove, so turn it on. You might need your parents for this. So you turn on your stove, you need a frying pan, a non-sticky, so take a good one, or else add some butter or some oil so the crepe does not stick on the pan. You also need a spatula, so one for turning, okay, for your crepes. So now it's hot. I take a cup to pour in my crepe mix. There you go. You just put a little bit, not too much, or else it will be thick. And we want it, so we want thin crepes, remember? There you go. So you put it in, you let it cook, and halfway you turn it over. So there you go. You can also have fun, and I like to add a few chocolate chips. So it melts, it's so good. Remember, there's 2 levels for this challenge. The first one was to follow my recipe in English. So it's good practice hearing me talk in English. Then the second level is you create your own do-it-yourself video. So your own DIY video in English, very important. If you have questions and you want some help, ask me. I'm there to help you. Do not hesitate. So I will give you till Friday. So you have until Friday to do a video. So send me a video of maybe explain me how to play a game. It can be a video game, it can be a board game. Show me how to sew, maybe how to do your hair. It can be how to paint. You decide, okay? I'm giving you the choice, but it needs to be in English. Okay, I want to hear you talk in English. So there you go. Here's the best part, eating. You can also double the recipe. So have a good day, guys, and I miss you a lot. I think a lot about you. Enjoy the time with your family. Have fun. Okay, enjoy this time for you. Bye.